Marston's had run a warehouse in Hoddesdon for the past 10 years, and we realised that the warehouse was just far too small for what we needed. So we had a look around and we found this warehouse distribution centre in West Thurrock. We've actually had a very close partnership with Briggs for a number of years. So we made contact with our account manager who came and did a site visit with us. We explained what we wanted to do here, what we needed. In order for us to get an efficient pick operation, we needed things like a pallet wrapper, getting column protectors around the columns. They've supported us with the racking, with the battery charging stations. We wanted to keep the site looking clean and smart, so we had a need for cleaning equipment. We decided to go for the two variants, which I believe was a sweep master and a scrub master. We had a look when we did the plans at putting a reach truck in and also at combi lifts because of the space we'd gained with extra racking with the combi lifts. And it was a non-brainer that, you know, with the combi lift truck, the All Master, we've got two trucks in one. So it made sense for us to do that, and it saved us quite a lot of money on buying equipment. On the 3-ton counterbalance that we have, we use those for clamping beer, so there's clamp attachment on there. Now and again, some containers get knocked off stacks and come down on the truck. In order to protect pedestrians and the drivers, on the front and on the roof of the counterbalance truck, we have steel mesh, which deflects any containers hitting it, which will stop the glass from breaking. When the vehicle is in reverse, there is a blue light technology where you've got blue light on the floor. Also, those two beams of red light down the side of the truck, which would indicate the truck's working in the area as well. We wanted to make sure that we got the best out of this warehouse and the design of it. So there's various items that we've had and we've had help getting with Briggs.